So hello guys, today we are here in Wislan University to interview the CHTM students of Wislan University about the impact of social media online dating towards CHTM students in Wislan University of the Philippines. So let's go!
How have dating apps changed the way people form relationship compared to traditional dating methods?
For me, yung dating app kasi parang naging common na siya, especially this generation, kasi parang nagkaroon na tayo ng advancement of technologies, which is doon na nga tayo nakipag-usap, doon na nag-uumpisa yung mga friendships natin like that. And I think okay lang naman din to as long naman na alam naman natin yung mga boundaries natin in life and alam natin if hanggang saan lang yung kaya natin ibigay to sa person na yun.
Yun lang naman. Thank you po.
Hi ma'am, before we start, can I have your name, block, and year?
Rose and second year college 2-1.
Okay. Ito po ang question. Do you think dating apps have a positive or negative impact on modern relationship? Why?
Meron ding negative and positive kasi sa panahon ngayon, 'di ba, sa dating app, madaming hindi parang madaming nai-scam na parang scam tuloy. Parang di totoo yung nila, na nakakatagpo nila sa dating app, ganun. Yun. Merong negative, tas may positive naman, nakakahanap sila ng totoo nilang love sa dating app. Pero,
okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello guys, my name is Juan Chodoric Luis S. Oliva and I'm a BSECE 3 student. And today I'm with Ma'am Andrea. Ma'am, what is your year and block?
TM31 po.
Ma'am, tatanungin ko lang po kayo ng simple question lang po. From your perspective, what are the biggest advantages and challenges of using dating apps?
For advantage po siguro, may advantage lang po siguro siya if may taong naghahanap ng partner ganon for life nila. And other than that po, siguro nakadepende na din po sa taong anong hinahanap nila sa dating app ganon.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Bago po ang lahat, papakilala mo na po. Ako po si Jerwin. Ano po ulit yung pangalan nyo, tas year and block?
I'm Helen Sandrayan and third year, B1 from Prison Medicine.
How do you see the future of dating apps evolving and what changes would you like to see in how they operate?
I think, di ba, more on AI na tayo. Kasi sa dating app, usually, ang mga dating app ngayon is more on text lang or like matching with their gusto nilang looks. So, kumbaga, ang makikita kong changes in the near future is mas mag-evolve siya in using AI like hindi lang by looks tayo magiging match, kumbaga pati personality, yung mga gusto natin, and they can create some dating app with video calls, kasi usually, di ba, lahat ng mga dating apps, sabihin na natin for text app. So, yan.